How to actually use the Google Nano Banana model for unlimited image generation. So this is the website you need to go, which is lmarena.ai. So this website offers free unlimited access to all the premium AI models. So once you go to the website, simply log in with your Google account. I have already done that, and now it has three options. Either you can side by side compare two models, or you can also have direct chat as well. So you can do a comparison, and right here simply select here generate images. After that, now you can actually select the uh, Gemini 2.5 flash image Nano Banana model is already selected by default, and here you can compare with any other model. So let's suppose I use any of these models, and then I simply say generate image. So instantly it actually made a request to Google Nano Banana model, and this website provides you unlimited access here. And this is the number one way by which you can access the Google Nano Banana model for completely free, unlimited accesses. So there is also no watermark is also present on the image. So you can see it has generated this, and side by side you can make the comparison. So you can just see how better it is, the image generated using Nano Banana, and you can actually vote right here. And you can do this unlimited number of time. You can try this with a different model. So let's suppose I use this one. I say two. So there is no limit to it. You can do this unlimited number of times. So this doesn't charge you any subscription fees. It's totally free website, LM Arena. I'm just using it for past 6 months. And you can see that two dinosaurs doing coding on laptop. And these images are available. You can download them as well. So it's completely free. And this is the number one way by which you can even direct chat. Just select the direct chat option, and right here select Google Nano Banana model, and here you can even upload your own image and do image editing as well. So if you basically simply select an image, just provide the instructions. So I will say make this image angry and change the color of the t-shirt to, so as soon as you do this, now you will see it will actually process this image using Nano Banana. It will edit, it will make the image angry and also change the color of the t-shirt from black to white. So you can see that it did all this adjustments and it edited your image instantly. So you don't require any third-party software. You can use this Nano Banana model, simply type the instructions, and you can access it at lmarena.ai. Definitely try this.